B&S 125 cubic centimeters engine, equipped with a 4-stroke, OHV, single-cylinder engine powered by B&S. This mower ensures efficient and reliable performance, with a displacement of 125 cubic centimeters. Lightweight and maneuverable, weighing only 62 lbs. This mower is easy to push and maneuver, making lawn care less strenuous. Adjustable cutting height, features a 6-position height adjustment, allowing you to customize the cutting height from 1.5 to 3.9 inches for a perfect lawn finish. Easy assembly and maintenance, comes with a detailed manual for quick assembly and straightforward maintenance, ensuring long-lasting use. Safety features, includes essential safety features such as a start-stop control lever, safety shields, and clear safety instructions to prevent accidents and injuries. Ideal for small yards. This 125 cubic centimeters engines are built with the power to get the job done, and our classic prime end pull system makes cold starts easy. 2-in-1 versatility allow you to add nutrients with the mulching option, and side discharge helps reduce clumps. Fully assembled in the box. Just unfold the handle. Quick folding designed for compact storage, and easily unfold to mow every time.